Hi, my name is Renu, and currently I'm working on an Indian coal mines dataset. And in my previous video, I have shared how to do the descriptive analysis of quantitative and qualitative variables when we have in data. And today in this video, I'm going to share how to create the visualizations using the Tableau desktop. So first, we have to connect our data. So I'm connecting my Excel file. This is my coal in mines in India dataset. Going to open it and so here's my data. As you can see, all the variables are here. So now we create the visualizations. So first click on the sheet one. Here are all are my data. So I will start with the bar chart first, and we will use first I will create a bar chart using the coal and lignite production by state. So the rationale behind this chart is to show the total production by the region, which state is producing more. So click on the state and UT name and drag it to the columns and this coal and lignite production and drag it to the rows. So this is my column chart basically. And if I put it in the like descending order, we can change it from here, from this axis. If I click on this, it will give me the descending order, which is the first stage, which is a Chhattisgarh. It has the highest production, which is of 157.2 metric tons. And if you want to label it, click on this and show the mark labels. It will we can see the exactly on the top of the bars how much each state is producing the coal and lignite. So, and I have to give the heading for this chart. So click on then this, and where the box will pop up, and I will give the name as state HUT wise coal and lignite production. Click OK. I'm gonna name the sheet as a bar chart one because I'm going to create multiple chart with other visualizations taking other variables. And so this is our bar chart. We have the highest coal and lignite production is by Chhattisgarh. This is the sum. And then we have Orissa and Jharkhand and following beds. And the least we have in Assam, which is only zero point 0.5 metric tons. And then we create the another visualization. Click on the sheet, and I'm going to make a tree map here, which is basically we use a tree map for when we have to show like the volume or it gives us the hierarchical view of the production. And again, I'm going to use the state and duty names to click on this, drag it to the rows, and coal and lignite production. I'm gonna drag it to column. And we have the best part in the Tableau on the right hand side up on the corner. Show me. It will show us the various graphs. So this is my tree map. I'm gonna click on this. So this is my tree map. So darkest color, which shows the volume is more for that particular state. So as we see the bar chart earlier, Chhattisgarh was the one which is showing the more production, the coal and lignite production, which is 157.2. So then after that we have Orissa here, little less darker than Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, and then we have Maharashtra. sorry, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and we have like little more here. It's Assam in the corner. So this is our tree map, and I have to give the heading for this map. So double click on sheet 2, and we can give the name as the production volume by state and UT. Click UT, click OK. And I'm gonna give the sheet name. You can double click here, or you can right click and rename it and get the name as and then yes, if we want to label it again, the it shows the mark labels here. Just it's already we have the click mark or check mark on the show mark label, so it gives us the name of the state, which is the Chhattisgarh. And if I move my mouse in here, so this give me the coal and lignite production value also, as you can see it here. Then we go to the another sheet with the next chart, which I'm going to use like the intensity for like, I mean, the production intensity. If I have to check for the state and volume, which I'm going to use the heat map. Basically, heat maps are used to check the intensity. And the rationale behind this map is the to highlight the production intensity across the region. So what we're gonna do is again click on the state and UT name, drag it to the rows, and do coal and lignite production, drag it to the columns, and then again giving the show me. This is my heat map, and I'm gonna click on this. So it will give me the, as you can see, the boxes, and I'll just click on the entire view from here. You can see bigger the box measures the intensity. The Chhattisgarh, as we already see in both the earlier maps, that Chhattisgarh has the highest prediction. And so this is our heat map. This is how it looks like. And I'm gonna name the sheet. Again, double click here. The production intensity by the state, obliquity. Okay, and give the sheet name as map. So in this video, basically, I'm just sharing how to how to create different visualizations and how we can use different maps or the chart for the same thing. But basically, in the bar chart, tree map, and heat map, uh, we are observing the same thing, that which state is producing more coal and lignite. And we can also check like intensity. Like if I click on this here, the state, and can give me the colors. The darker the color is, the more the intensity and more the volume as well. So we can use this map as well. And just put it that way. And now we create a new map in here, which I'm going to take like the mine ownership analysis, and these are the visualization based on that. So again, I'm going to create one more bar chart here, which is the coal and lignite production by mine ownership. So what I'm gonna do is to take the coal and mine owner name and drag it to the columns, and coal and lignite production, and drag it to the rows. So this is my bar chart again, and it as I can see that the barcode, and also I can just click on this and give me the like in the decreasing order. This is my 150.5, which is from SECL. If I give it the entire view, I can see the coal miner no name here. This is my the largest, highest production. Show mark labels. This is 150.5 by SECL, and MCL, NCL, um, followed by all other coal mines. And I'm going to give the sheet the coal lignite production by my ownership. Click OK. And I'm going to name the sheet bar chart 2. So this is my bar chart according to the like mine ownership, which mine is producing how much the production, the coal and lignite production. And then next I'm going to use the same with these variables. I'm taking the state and duty name. Drag it to the columns, and this is I'm creating a stacked bar chart. So the rationale behind this chart will display how the production is distributed between the ownership, the coal mine owner names within the each region. So the state and duty name in columns and the coal and lignite production. Drag it to the rows. And then I'm going to drag this coal and mine owner name to the colors and to this add all numbers. And this is my stack bar chart. So as we can see, I'm going to click this entire view and show labels. This is again 45. This is my SECL coal mine owner name, which is producing 140 metric tons in Chhattisgarh, and this is 15. And this is my 0.7 and Ambuja, their multiples, and this Chhattisgarh. And then we have a Gujarat GNDCL and GIPCL. So this is my stack bar chart, which is like, I mean, as I said, the rationale behind this is to display that how much production is distributed between the ownership types within each region. And in next video, I'm going to create more charts. So I'm going to name this the production by mine ownership within each state. Click OK. I'm going to name the sheet that war. Thank you so much. And these are all our visualization. And in next video, I'm going to create more visualizations. I hope this helps. Thanks.